take over the weather. That's what AI won't be able to do.
They'll probably try, but that's okay. But I will say, if it can get rid of the smoke, sign me up.
Yeah, that's
Put
true.
it to work.
We'd love to put it to work there. Let me go and show you what it was like out over southern Utah. Smoke? What smoke? Brian Head, Mike Samish last night, the Milky Way. Oh my, Mike, what a great shot. Beautiful conditions, he says. The air is a little clearer down here compared to what we're suffering with up north, but what a great picture, Mike. Thank you for sending it in. Here's a look at our July summary. This is what we typically experience in Salt Lake. 5 days of 100-degree temperatures during the month of July, 19 days in the 90s, 6 days in the 80s, and 1 day with temperatures in the 70s. Precipitation, well, just under a ½ inch is normal. How'd we do? Well, how about double the 100-degree days? We had 10 days of 100s, 17 in the 90s, 4 in the 80s, and we didn't have any days with temperatures in the 70s and precipitation a terrible 0.08, 16% of normal. Oh, let's cross our fingers and hope the monsoons bring the August rains, because they definitely did not arrive during the month of July. Temperatures. 83 right now in Ogden, 70s in Vernal, low 90s in Moab, St. George, same story at 93 and 102 in Las Vegas. We're under clear skies, but we still have the smoke, and that smoke definitely is thick across the north. As we go to the satellite and radar, very quiet western United States. We have a large area of high pressure that's kind of bubbling around the four corners. We have a few other little areas of little mini high pressures, and they are just keeping the west very quiet. The next pattern shift will happen as this high pressure moves closer to Utah. It's going to draw in a little bit of southerly moisture, and the moisture that goes around the periphery of that high will get to Utah. A few clouds start to get to the south on Thursday. High pressure gets a little closer. By Friday afternoon, we have the potential for a few little bubble ups over the southwestern mountains. And as we roll through Saturday, the high comes north, and it looks like a better opportunity for some thunderstorms and some rain across southern Utah. That's going to elevate the potential for some flooding in the weekends, especially in the slot canyons across areas in southern and southwestern Utah. As we look to our forecast tomorrow, still sunny, still hot, still smoky. 97 in Price, 105 in Green River, St. George, 106, mostly sunny. We'll start to introduce a few clouds tomorrow afternoon and then a few more as we head through Friday into the weekend. 7-day forecast. Partly cloudy skies get here on Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, a 30% chance of a few little stray pop-up thunderstorms, which would be welcome. We need the water. Temperatures stay hot, though, 104 to 106 in St. George over the next 7 days. 95 in Logan tomorrow, 88 in Montpelier. We'll see temperatures back in the upper 90s and low 100s. We're going 100 in Salt Lake and Ogden tomorrow, and those triple-digit days, well, they look to continue. In fact, 100 to 102 over the next 2 days, and then we'll slide back to the 90s, but barely into the 90s on Sunday, Monday.